play with these directions, if you really understand that there's a gliding this way, the head doesn't go that way, forward and up, not at all. The head glides back, and that lets the spine lengthen because it's not doing this. It lets the spine lengthen. When the spine lengthens, the muscles in the back widen. So there's a logic to the whole thing. And again, if I'm working with this, trying to get this movement, and I'm doing this, I have defined how I think I should do this. If I withhold continuing to define that, I give room for the brain to go, dopey, don't do that. You know, the brain will speak to my system because I'm not trying to do what I usually do. I leave room for the brain to do it, and the brain will take me back. So trust that all you're doing is letting yourself have a dialogue with the cellular consciousness that's you. So take your time with it. But you trust that it's being done once you touch it. If you truly touch somebody, what do you sense in yourself right now? Yeah. Because I know that it's all in there happening.
He didn't put you there. Your body went there because that's where I needed to go.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's the ocean. That's the kayak and the ocean story.
Okay.
You know, when I'm sitting in the kayak and I sensed the movement beneath the movement of the water that I could see, I felt support. Well, if you weren't supported right now, you'd collapse. So that you are supported. Even in your wildest habituation, you're still supported.
Okay.
It's just that you know that there's a direction to it all.
Yeah.
And it's not this, because the evolutionary aspect, we came up this way. And if we'd gone this way, we'd have been different people. But we came back and up. What does this happen? This. This goes back and down through here. And the difference between, maybe I should do this the other way. You just came into your back. All right, now I'm going to let it head go where it wants to go. What happened?
I'm more supported by the ground.
Uh-huh.
It's that intro in expansion.
Far-fetched. But trust.
Okay.
And my first experience of that was the kayak.
Yeah. I think the question that I actually have, that's the deeper question, is how do I practice trust? And that's this work for me. So.
I think you practice with yourself. Yeah, you obviously practice with another person. I mean, it really is invaluable to be able to work with another person.
Yeah.
It's the way that you live your life. Not walking around letting your neck be free to let the head move forward. You can't. I mean, you can do that if you want to, but what is that really doing? It's tapping you into a system that is already designed to function. And it will function appropriate to the circumstance given how much you allow it to.
Yeah.
I mean, there are people, there are athletes that have just got it down pat. You watch figure skaters, and how in the world are they doing that? Both of them just tuned like birds, But trust.